Vietnamese.
I got these goodies from my friend in Japan. These are various snacks, but I'm not sure what they are, but they look delicious. Last time my friend sent me cookies. They were so good. But she didn't send me those once again. Instead, I got these, which looks like some cheese balls with parsley. Something. I'm not sure, but we're gonna taste everything soon. This one reminds me of the Philippines, like the cheese rings. Like a potato snack. Oh, it says taro. So it might be, you know, the taro flavor. This one, I really don't know what's inside because the package is all covered. This one, definitely, it's like a chocolate wafer. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it says choco. So, this one, at first I thought this looks like bacon, but it's not. Mm-hmm. And I'm not sure what's inside. And it's just a piece of like very thin cookie inside this one. So okay, this would be interesting.
What's your friend's name? Give a shout out.
Oh, this is Pamela Madden. Hi, thank you so much for my goodies. I have to show everyone that bento box you sent me to. And this is the last one that I got. It's like a wafery kind of snack too. So I'm going to work, but I wanna try one before I go. Okay, so I'm trying this one right here. This is the most delicious looking one in my opinion.
See, you may try.
This reminds me of sweet corn with a hint of something. It's good. Yeah? And we're gonna let this little boy try it out too. Is it too big for your mouth?
Say sweet.
Oh, because he's binging on M&M's. He found my little stash.
Okay.
Okay, thanks. Hi. So we're going to do a continuation of eating those food snacks I got from my friend Pamela all the way from Japan. So the last time we tried those little chips that tasted like sweet corn for me, sweet corn from the Philippines, and I let my husband and my daughter try it. They liked it too. So now we're gonna open some more goodies, like this one that I don't know what it's called, and I said it looked like bacon in the wrapper, but it actually is kind of something else. So I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna be brave enough to try it, and I'm gonna let my husband and my daughter try it too. Never mind. Okay, here goes. So it smells like seafoody, like squid almost. Okay, it becomes spicy, so I'm right. Here, you taste it.
You do it.
I like this. I'm not a big fan, but it's all right. I guess people who are into the sweet, salty variation, they might like it. How did you find it?
It's okay.
Oh.
Go ahead next.
So there's that.
Yes.
This one says Morokoshi Taro. I don't know if I'm saying it right. This kind of looks like the same ones I got the first time, like those chips. Yeah. Right there.
Show you lower.
There. Let me smell it. Smells sweet. Kind of like the same like the first one, like I said. Yeah. Hey, you small chips. Change the channel. This is how my son is trying to say, please change the channel. He gives me the remote. You want to try something from Japan? Nah, no. This is okay too. I like this better than the. Maybe I'm just not the seafood kind of girl. But
Okay, what's next?
next, we'll try this one. It's a picture of the Japanese with a big drum. Yeah. Yeah, it looks festive. Of course, none of it says anything in English, so we don't know what's inside. But I bet it tastes good. So far, I like all the snacks. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside. It reminds me of crispy pork belly. Right? Don't you think so? Look.
See?
It tastes different. I really don't know how to describe it. This is the first time I kind of tasted this kind of
Flavor.
yeah, right? Yeah, I haven't tasted anything like this.
Okay.
It's
next.
okay. See, I'm not picky with food either. This one I think I would really like because I love chocolate anyway. This just looks like a big chocolate wafer to me. Yeah. This tastes like the chips in here, but coated with chocolate. So I like it. This is my favorite so far. But see, I love chocolate though.
You finished already?
No, I have like 2 more left.
Okay. So what's
The
that?
first to the last. This kind of looks like another wafer. I don't want to say chocolate. It's more like a cinnamon color. We'll see. Dang, I opened all the snacks. I'll let my daughter try it.
I can't taste it. Like,
Yeah, I could actually taste just the outside. That it's
Yeah.
sweet, but the inside it's.
it falls into your mouth.
Yeah, you try it, Papa. Here, try a big piece.
I don't like it.
He doesn't like it. Okay, last.
That looks good.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Last but not the least,
Hold on, Jax.
these are the really nice thin wafer ones, and it's coated with. I think it's coated with like vanilla. I think
probably
Papa
white
would like
chocolate.
this because he likes this flavoring. Not my favorite, but
Is it soft?
it's like sponge cake with coating. It's good. You guys would love it. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
You used to call me on my cell phone late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone